Welcome back to Game Design. This week we're going to be embarking upon our final. Let me walk you through our week at a glance. This week you're going to know what comprises your final project, what I'm calling Final Space Shooter. You're going to understand how I expect you to enhance the model space shooter game that you just completed step by step. This week you're going to demonstrate the ability to swap out the player with a custom player of your own. Every week I'm going to break down for you what task you should be working on. This week you're going to work on replacing the spaceship. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to prove to me that you can use either Kenny Studio or Kenny Next or Inkscape to export from a vector a custom spaceship as a raster. So basically you're going to be replacing the spaceship sprite that I currently have in there with one of your own. And so throughout these final weeks you're going to be proving to me the skills that you've learned throughout the class. So I'm going to go to Schoology real quick and show you what week 6 looks like. You've got your week at a glance, obviously. This right here, where it says student name final space shooter, that is the Colstock copy and share document that spells out for you what your final project is. So down below, you'll see that you can click on that link and you're going to copy this final space shooter to your Google Drive and obviously replace the student name. Make sure you read the course recap. And then I have a section here that says about the final. It tells you everything you need to know about the final and has directions. The first step in beginning the final is to create a copy of this document and see how I have that already checked for you. And then each enhancement has its own item in the list. The first one, which you're going to be doing this week, is replace spaceship. And it will tell you exactly what I expect. What I want you guys to do, I want you to use this copy and share document to plan out your work. You should be going in here and adding bulleted lists of what needs to be done. I need to see your thinking behind how you schedule out your work and your tasks. Because ultimately, you're going to be turning in not only your enhanced space shooter project, but also this document. So make sure that you're updating this document and using it to guide your work. So this week, you want to make sure that you click on the link above to copy the final space shooter document to your Google Drive. And then I have a work time assignment in here for you. And this week, you are focusing on replacing the spaceship task inside the final space shooter task list. So that's everything I have for you for the week. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever.